Hey guys, today we are in Citroen C3 and I'm going to show you the service procedure to reset the service reminder indicator. So if your service is due, you will have this spanner indicator over here as well as on the center display. This car is not due for service right now, but either way I'm going to show you how to perform the procedure. So let's turn the ignition back off. Let's locate this button over here. You have 4 buttons at the bottom of the instrument cluster, and the left one has a little spanner icon on it. So let's press and hold it, and once it's pressed you need to turn on the ignition and you will see a countdown over here from 10 to 0. You need to keep this button pressed, and since this car shouldn't be reset right now because the service was not performed, I'm going to release the button, but in your case keep it pressed until you see 0. The countdown goes to 0, and when it does you can release the button and the service reminder should be reset. And after that you just need to switch off the ignition, and then you can switch it back on and press the left button again, and you will see what's the current distance to next service, so you can check if it was actually reset. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial and subscribe for future ones. See you soon.